Finding and applying for a job in Glassdoor here is fairly easy. How do you do it? Well, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to their platform, which is going to be glassdoor.com, and just log in into your account. But once you've logged in or created your account, you're now ready to start finding some jobs here. Now, you want to go to the very top here. You have four options. You have community, jobs, companies, and salaries. Let's go and click on or basically choose the jobs option. Now, usually if this is the first time that you are entering this section here, usually at the very center, you should see the find your perfect job here and also the zip code states remote option here. So what you need to do is you just need to fill out these details. Again, it might look like different at first, but you just need to find these two options here. But yeah, first is you want to enter the job that you want to apply for. Like for example, we are looking for software engineer jobs here. Let's go and choose this one. And you want to enter the city, state, zip code, or if you want to have a remote job. Like for example, we want to choose like New York. Let's go and enter this one, and it's automatically going to search for jobs that is on your options here. Now, you want to go and scroll down a bit here if you want to read further into the jobs available right now. Like, for example, about Sono. So I have the base pay here as well, the company overview. Now, what you could do is you just need to click on the easy apply button if you want to apply for this job here. But obviously, there are going to be a lot more jobs at the left side here. As you can see here now, you can go and just click on the appropriate one here in order for you to switch to different applications. Like, for example, we have this like for TikTok, software engineer for TikTok. Now, sometimes you may need to visit your employer site here in order for you to apply, but sometimes you have the easy apply option here. So let's go and choose the very first one here. So let's go and choose easy apply. Now, usually in the following pages here, you just need to fill out all their information, like for example, your basic information, your contact details, and also a little bit of your background and a bit of your experience. Now, you may also have the option to upload your let's just say your resume, so you can go and just upload that in here, but that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.